Well, elder law encompasses a lot of different areas, and it's not just working with persons of a certain age. This next segment is sponsored by Fernandez Elder Law, and joining me is Bridget Fernandez. She is an attorney and owner of Fernandez Elder Law. Bridget, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Of course. And I mean, elder law does encompass a lot of different things. What is it?
It does. Elder law is really an umbrella term for a lot of legal services that are provided to older adults and persons with disabilities.
And you're actually a certified elder law attorney. What does that mean?
I am. So I'm a certified elder law attorney as certified through the National Elder Law Foundation. And what that means is that certified elder law attorneys have a specialization, they have extensive training and education and experience in those areas that affect older adults and persons with disabilities.
And you mentioned that it is this large umbrella term. What would you like our viewers to know today?
Well, I think it's important to understand that elder law is not just for older adults. It really encompasses people of all ages and certainly persons with disabilities, which a disability can affect a person at any age. Estate planning is a huge part of elder law. Again, estate planning for persons with all ages. Special needs planning is a part of that. Medicare, Medicaid planning, long-term care planning, guardianships. All of those are part of that.
A lot of different topics are covered under the umbrella of elder law. And you actually have a very unique background. This is kind of what sets you apart. Tell us a little bit about how you were able to transition from social work.
Okay, so I'm a licensed clinical social worker. I worked for many years in a local hospital here, worked in adult day, home health care, and it was my experience working with patients in the hospital that things were happening to them and they might have legal issues that were unresolved, or they would end up in the hospital needing placement and no one appointed to make healthcare decisions for them or long-term care planning decisions. So that was sort of what got me thinking, how can I help people to be prepared for those things that happen that we're not prepared for, that we're not prepared for.
And you actually have that's kind of rare and unique for someone in your field, right?
I think so. I think it is.
Well, you've provided me a lot of insight today, just really breaking down and explaining what elder law is and the umbrella term. And if you're at home and you're watching and you're interested in Bridget's services, it's the Fernandez Elder Law, and they're located at 13205 Manchester Road. You can visit them online at fernandezelderlaw.com, or you can call them at 314-328-0700. And Bridget, before I let you go, what's the best part about being able to serve the greater St. Louis area in this way?
Well, I think it's a great way to help people to plan for things that they don't know that are coming or might happen to them.
I know. Life can throw you some curveballs, right? Well, Bridget, thank you so much for being here with us today. And if you're interested in her rare and unique background as a licensed social worker, as well as elder law attorney, all that information is right there on your screen. It's Fernandez Elder Law, and she was our Ask the Expert today right here on Studio STL. We'll make sure you have access to all that information on our website at studiostl.tv.